When severe weather strikes, our teams work to get the lights back on as quickly and safely as possible. Every storm is different and brings its own set of challenges, but the safety of our employees and the public is our #1 priority, no matter the weather. We start our work by identifying the circuit-related issues causing the outages in our system. We then prioritize getting the power back on for hospitals, police and fire stations, and water and sewer plants. At the same time, our crews will work to fix outages that will restore power to the largest number of customers the quickest. Next, our crews will go to individual locations, like specific homes and businesses, to get the lights back on. Your restoration time ultimately depends on road conditions and other obstacles our crews will face during the restoration process. It's important to know, though Oncor may designate certain equipment at a higher priority level in our restoration strategy, repairs outside of that scope are happening simultaneously. So smaller areas may see power return at the same time or earlier than larger ones. Stay informed and visit Oncor.com to learn more about outages and weather.